Ethereum is in a free fall, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Our Telegram channel has been absolutely killing it with these trades. We have made some insane profits. So for those of you that haven't joined yet, make sure to do so if you guys are interested in keeping up with my trades as well as free education. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can see that Ethereum had a massive drop opportunity. This, of course, was no surprise because I mentioned in yesterday's video the fact that we are retesting these exponential moving averages as resistance, as well as the fact that they are starting to push to the downside. This could be a massive move all the way down to 1518. You can see that this trade played out perfectly, where we actually hit our 1518 support level on the dot and then saw a nice retracement. And for those of you that were in the Telegram channel, we did amazing. Now, I do want to talk about the current state of Ethereum because I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering, is this the time to take a long position? If you guys remember from my video yesterday, I mentioned the fact that if Ethereum does test this level here at 15, I don't think that the fact that this area will hold, because of the fact we've seen multiple retest opportunities on this support level with no clean breakdown formation just yet. But you guys already know, the more times a support level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking. In yesterday's Telegram chat, I mentioned we're not going to be looking for a long position, and I'll explain why to you guys now. Number one, of course, is the fact that when you are trading on a major support level and you see the first entry bounce, we tend to get a second and third retest before a stronger continuation. You don't want to get caught out in that position, of course, if we do end up getting the break formation to the downside, because the next drop zone is going to remain around the 1421 support. Zooming out of the chart here, you can see that we are still in this massive bar formation, and if this does complete, we could be expecting an insane move on Ethereum, possibly even going all the way down to around the 1331 level. Of course, looking at RSI right now in terms of the 4-hour time frames, we are oversold, so I would be very careful entering a short position just yet until we retest these exponential moving averages. The reason why is these are going to be acting as magnets, so we could be looking for one last retest on support line, get that liquidity around the $1,600 mark, and then a stronger continuation, or of course a just straight move to the downside. We have to keep in mind that usually when bar formations play out, logic goes out the window and we tend to see some extreme moves overall. Now, in terms of a bullish case scenario, of course, I know that's what you guys are probably thinking. Is this the top up for the run up? Are we done? Or what's going to happen now? And I do want to explain that to you guys. Of course, you can see on Ethereum, we had a massive run up from all the way down here at 1278. I mentioned the fact over and over, the fact that we aren't really seeing a pullback opportunity is a red flag. When you just have a straight move to the upside without proper consolidation, we tend to have beautiful fake out situations. And as of right now, this move set reminds me of the same move set we saw previously when we broke above 1278, retested the resistance here at 1658, and then had a massive collapse. This is what we have to be very careful about. But of course, if we do end up hitting that 1421 level and then do see a strong pullback opportunity, we could definitely be looking for our take profit level here at 1787 to play out, and this could easily just be a bear trap opportunity. If we look here on the daily time frames, yesterday I mentioned the fact that of course we will be looking to retest our exponential moving averages. You can see that we hit the 9 EMA perfectly, but as of right now we are actually trading below these EMAs. This of course is a very large red flag, and the fact you can see that we are still in extreme overbought conditions even with this pullback opportunity. You guys have to keep in mind that Ethereum saw such a large run up that right now looking for a pullback is probably the best play opportunity before that continuation, and you don't want to try getting caught out into a long position. from yesterday's hourly BART formation. You can see that also played out perfectly. This is why I've taught you guys many times to pay attention to these BART formations, because they make some insane profits. Now, of course, even on the hourly, we are in oversold conditions, but I will be waiting until we retest this 1518 level to see whether or not the bears can obviously break this level. If we do get a clean break opportunity and a retest as resistance, that will be my confirmation to continue shorting this trade downwards. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.